call a bench of white guys? The NBA. What's the difference between a speaker and a sack of babies? I don't have a speaker in my closet. What's a Mexican's favorite sport? Cross country. What's an African's favorite sport? The Hunger Games. Give me your soul, baby girl.
All right. Get that out of here.
So, you know the reference, one man's trash, another man's treasure? That was my horrible way of finding out I'm adopted. And I actually am adopted. Okay, one more joke too. What do you call an elevator full of black people? A box of chocolates? Oh no! You want to know what my favorite vegetable is? My mom, because she's in a wheelchair.
How many emo kids does it take to screw in a light bulb? None, because they all sit in the dark and cry.
Why did the robber say to the banker, put the money in the bag? Because he wanted the money. It was that easy.
Good for you.
Your YouTube video?
Yes.
Why did the duck get arrested? He was caught throwing quack. But subscribe to this man on YouTube. I watch him. He's real good.
What's the difference between Nemo and my dad?
They both can't be found.
What is a kidnapper's favorite shoe? White Vans.
Hi, you hear me? I got one more thing. Last one. Alright, wait. Is you waiting for your dad? That's why every time your grandpa take you go. And you give him a coin, you throw him a coin. I'm making money. I'm not why I just talking about that. I'm like, that's why I caught your TV started getting the bigger you go.
You did it.
I don't really got anything funny. I just want to say that your videos are the best and I still watch them.
This might not be funny or nothing, but have you heard the rumor about butter? Never mind, I shouldn't be spreading it.
Yo, what's up, Matt? Why is it okay to hit an orphan? Because it's not like they'll tell their parents anyways. What kind of flour do orphans use to bake bread? Self-raising. Alright, Matt. I hope you have a great night.
What do you call when Joyce Byers when she is running from the Russians? Winona Ryder.
Yo, before I say my joke, I just want to say I'm a really big fan. Why did the old man fell in the well? Because he didn't see that well. Yo. So my dad's friend, he was an orphan, and he recently had a kid, and he was thinking of putting his kid up for adoption. And I told him, isn't that just recycling?
What is yellow and can't swim?
A school bus full of children.
Your face reactions, I love you so much.
Hey, big boy, I ain't done with you.
I have a joke, it's gonna be really dumb. Why does a duck have feathers? To cover its butt quack.
What's long and black? What's long and black? The line for KFC. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I was very nervous.
Okay, my joke is pretty simple. What did 20 do when he was hungry? 28. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but yeah.
Hello. So you know the difference between orphanage and apples? The apple gets picked.
Yo, what do the 2023 fireworks that launch when the ball drops compare to the 9/11 planes? They both blow up. He's laughing, I can tell.
You know why black people can't have dreams? Because the first one to have a dream got shot.
Okay, all right, that's it for me. You guys are funny. Thank you guys for joining the live. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, subscribe. Dame Matt Smith, check it out. Yeah, just let me know on there. Comment on the YouTube video if you want me to do more of these. Y'all stay safe out there, and I'm gonna see you. Peace.